Hey guys, this is Shan from shanhundar.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open the back panel of Microsoft Lumia 950 smartphone and insert the SIM cards and the memory card inside the device. So here is our Microsoft Lumia 950. First of all, let me tell you that the back panel is removable of this device, but when you will open the retail box of the device, you will not find the battery inside the retail box. The battery is already placed inside the uh, smartphone. So what you have to do, you have to just open the back panel and then put the SIM cards and the memory card inside the device. The Lumia 950 I'm having right now, it is a dual SIM version, so there are two SIM card slots, and Lumia 950 is having nano SIM card slots. So if you're having a regular size SIM or a micro SIM, you will have to get a new nano SIM either by cutting it or by getting a fresh one from your service provider. So let me show you how to do the how to open the back panel and insert the SIM and memory card. So first of all, you will have to switch off the device if you have turned it on. So here is my device. I'm going to just switch it off, and here is the micro SD card and the nano SIM cards. As you can see here, two nano SIM cards and a micro SD card. Now the device is switched off. So when you will get your Lumia 950 out of the retail box, what you will notice here that there is no notch or anything showing on the device, and you will find that on the bottom of the device there is sticker like this showing the arrow mark and all at the bottom of this device. So once when you will remove this sticker, you will find there is a very tiny notch at the end of the back panel here. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but it's there. It's a very small tiny notch here. So what you have to do to open the back panel, you have to put your nail or finger in this tiny notch. First of all, you have to remove this sticker, then you will find there is a tiny notch here, and after that you have to put your finger or nail in this tiny gap and hold the device from the top like this, and then put your finger in this tiny notch. Maybe you can see it now here in this like this, and just try to pull it backwards. It's very tight right now because I'm opening it for the first time. Okay, so here is, you can see that the back panel is coming out. It's still pretty tight. Okay, here we go, and here is what you will get after opening the our back panel of Lumia 950. So here is the 3000 mAh battery you can see, and you can see that none of the slots are visible except the micro SD card slot. So first of all, you will have to remove the battery from here like this, and now you can see here it is showing the micro SD card slot, nano SIM 1 and nano SIM 2 slot. So here we go. Here is our first nano SIM. Just have a look at how it is showing. Just follow the instruction, like you have to slide the SIM card like this in the nano SIM 2 slot. Just put it like this and slide it in. So now there is a SIM in SIM 2 card slot. Talking about the SIM 1 slot and the micro SD card slot, you can see that here the nano SIM card slot and the micro SD card slots are overlapping on each other. So the lower slot is for the nano SIM card slot and the upper slot is for the micro SD card. So these two cards, the nano SIM 1 and the micro SD card, will be above each other. So first of all, let's insert the nano SIM card slot 1 Here we go. Just put it here in the SIM card slot and slide it in just like the previous time, like this, and just slide it in. So now the SIM 1 and SIM 2 both are in the slot. Now it's time for the micro SD card. Here's the micro SD card. Put it at the top here like this and just slide it, put it like this and slide it in again. So here is the total set: nano SIM 2, nano SIM 1, and the micro SD card slot at its place. Now it's time to put the battery back in the device like this. Now we have to close this, our back panel on the device. So put the device in the back panel like this from the bottom, and then close it and apply pressure on all of the edges like this. So now everything is inside. Now switch it on. So it's booting up still. And here we go. So you can see now it's showing the SD card found. So now we are sure that our SD card, the micro SD card, is working properly. You can see that it's showing the message that whether you want all of these new photos, music, videos, application and downloads to go to the SD card, you can just select yes or no depending on your choice. I'm just putting it no right now, and you can see that both of the SIM slots, they are working perfectly. Here is the SIM 1 and SIM 2 slot. It's working so nice. And there is a dual SIM, a smart dual SIM feature which you can find from the settings. Here you can see I'm having, it is, if you are using your device for the first time, Lumia 950, you will find it on the start screen itself as I have just shown. So here is the feature of smart dual SIM, which you can just turn on or turn off for SIM 1 or SIM 2. It depends on you. And if you go to the settings manually, then if you go to the network and wireless, then mobile and SIM, you will find that here is the information about these two devices. So here you can select that for which SIM card you want data to work. Right now the SIM 1 is selected for mobile data. You can just turn it off or on. It's totally up to you. And if you go to the settings of SIM 1 and SIM 2, here just tap on it, you will be able to select the highest speed possible as well. For example, the SIM 1 is selected for 4G, you can select it as 2G as well, or 3G. And if you go back for SIM 2 settings, then you will be able to you will not be able to select anything, because it's just showing highest connection speed is 2G only for SIM 2. And for SIM 1 you can select from 2G, 3G or 4G. It's totally up to you. So this is how you can open the back panel of Microsoft Lumia 950 smartphone, insert the SIM card, the memory cards inside the device, and you can also use the dual SIM function, smart dual SIM function, to perfectly handle the device. And we have already seen that our device was detecting our memory card, but once again you can go to the settings, then storage, and check our SD card information once again there, that it is having 32GB SD card, out of which 19.8 MB is used. So thanks for watching the video, friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. Have a nice day.